Okay, it says here, Maryland Wes Moore announced Friday that he will veto measures to create a commission to study potential slavery reparations for the state. Now, Maryland was a slave state. What do you need to study? Now, let's put it out here. Okay, I'm going to amend that. I'm going to amend that right there because it does need to be studied, the harm. The harm from slavery until today, 2025, December 22nd, 2025, 8:34 Eastern Standard Time. So I do amend that statement. And I would say that, yes, a study needs to be done and to see and to pinpoint all the harm that has been caused from slavery until now.